morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, September 28th, 2021. Go Cowboys! Woo!
Let's go.
Please stand for the pledges up to the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you, and please have a seat. This month is Hispanic Heritage Month, and today we will be honoring singer Selena, known as the Queen of Tejano music. Selena's impact on music and fashion made her one of the most influential Mexican-American entertainers of the 20th century. She has also been called one of the most influential Latin artists of all time and helped propel Tejano music into mainstream culture.
Here's our King's Ambassador, Lily, to announce today's Friendly Falcon.
Today's Friendly Falcon is Austin Heiser in Miss Sanders' class. Austin was nominated by Luke, who said she hugs me and played with me. She wants to be my best friend. Congratulations, Austin, and thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
Yeah.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton will be partly cloudy with 20% chance of rain and a high of 91 degrees and a low of 70 degrees.
Today in history, in 1892, the first night football game is played.
In the headlines, a man delivers donated RVs to wildlife fire victims, and now 95 families have a place to stay. Woody Faircloth nonprofit emergency EVAR RV .org pairs forks to who are willing
to donate their campers to a worthy cause with those in need. Faircloth with a daughter has delivered 95 RVs to California and wildlife victims who otherwise might wait months for emergency housing. Faircloth launched a GoFundMe to buy the first RV that he and Luna delivered in California. As news spread, people started reaching out to him and offering to donate their motorhomes and form their emergency RV soon took shape.
Wow. Today's fun fact is during childhood, your fist is the same size of your heart.
Wow. Cool.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Shane, why did the girl smear peanut butter on the road?
I don't know why did she?
To go with the traffic. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Shane.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.